Hey friends, how's it going? It's July 28th, 2023, middle of the afternoon, and it's about 98 degrees here in southern New Mexico. I'm just going out to check on my bird baths. I have a couple of bird baths out here that I try to keep full of water for the wildlife. Something that takes so little effort on my part can mean so much to another creature. Just to have some water on a really hot, dry day can mean the world. It can mean everything. At this time of year especially, everything and everyone needs more water. It's truly the small things that mean so much to me now. It feels really good just to care about another being. We're all hungry, we're all thirsty. All of us just need a little bit of love and attention and care. We all depend on each other. It just feels really nice sometimes to forget about your own problems and just to be of service to another creature. That's something that I've learned about life. How important it is just to look out for each other. I'm out here all the time, especially in the summer and the dry months, putting water out for the local wildlife. And it's just a small gesture. There are a lot of birds here in the desert and a lot of flying insects who depend on the water. I was just thinking how easy it is for me to turn on a faucet and have water on demand right at my fingertips, whereas the wildlife have to depend on the rain and moisture and look for water. They have to actively seek water and go to where the water is. I feel like I'm doing my small part. On this planet, which we share and which is our home. It's all of ours. Even one small act of kindness can make someone's day. it can make their entire life. Okay, take care, guys. Be well. And remember to drink lots of water.